How to change lock screen shortcuts on Android. It is very simple. So first and foremost, you have to open your phone setting for this. Now right here, search for the option of lock screen and tap on it. Then head to the option of lock screen settings. From there, at the bottom, you should find the option called lock screen shortcut. Tap on the left shortcut. Currently it is phone. You can go ahead and select anything that you prefer. For an example, I've selected camera. Now similarly like that, tap on right shortcut and select from this as well. I have a limited option in my Android. However, the options and the layout may differ according to the Android system. Now if you want to change the unlock style, you can select the option of lock screen style. So go ahead and select the option. So right here, as you can see, there are two options for here. Firstly, you can select the option if you want to swipe to unlock. The directions is up to you. It provides you with the option of up, left and right. So you can go ahead and select in the lock screen style as well. By doing this, you'll be giving an upgrade and update to your lock screen setting. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.